Hi friends, this is Jagdish Babu, business mentor, business guru. Today I am bringing before you one important platform developed recently for the benefit of MSME. So the preface of the program I will explain you. So previous days, let's say 20 years back, 30 years back, uh, some kind of mechanism was there. Let's say we received a check from somebody, maybe a reputed one or a non-reputed. Some kind of financiers, the independent financiers who have contact with the bank manager and people, use it to buy those instruments and use it to pay us. The banker was releasing the fund, whereas that financier, so that was called discounting, check discounting. So what happened over a period of time, that was abolished. So what is happening when an MSME entrepreneur supplies to a reputed client, maybe you need to wait 45 days, 2 months, 3 months. No, definitely the reputed client pay. Maybe it's a PSU or a corporate company or a government organization. What happened? There is a lot of cash crisis with this MSME entrepreneur. So the government of India and Reserve Bank of India especially initiated a process, and it is called Receivable Exchange of India Limited. For the main, the scheme is called TREDX, the Trade Receivable Discounting System, TREDS. I'll explain you what is the advantage in joining this organization. Before that, see, you are observing. So the benefit, it is mainly for the purpose of this organization is mainly to benefit MSMEs. Let's see what it is. So it is incorporated in 25 to 2016. So it is between the joint venture between the SIDBI and the NSE, National Stock Exchange. Its vision is very clear: to be an integrated provider for financing platform for the excellence benchmarked with the global best for the supporting the growth and development of micro, small and medium enterprises for these inclusive, sustainable economic and social development. So board of directors includes so very reputed people. So Mr. Muhammad Mustafa IAS is chairman, Mr. Mukesh Agarwal director, and there are so many independent directors in this organization. So what is TREDS? The scheme for setting up operating the institutional mechanism for facilitating the financing of trade receivables of MSMEs from corporate and other buyers, including government departments and public sector undertakings, through multiple financiers to known as trade receivables discounting system. So because of this, it is a very good platform for sellers, buyers and financiers. So paperwork eliminated, easy access to funds, transact online, the competitive discount rates, seamless data flow, standardized practices. So why TREDS? Like we discussed initially, the MSMEs are the backbone, but facing lot of cash crisis, the supplies and waiting for the long time. So this concept, because of this concept, the money will be immediately released. The financiers will participate in bidding, and they will buy, and they will settle with the buyer. See, they release the amount, so they may charge for that particular. But we are getting the benefit immediately. The amount what we need to get from the buyer, instead of 45 days, 2 months, 3 months, or a 90 or a 100 days, 120 days, whatever is the period, the agreement between the buyer and seller. So it will be settled across the exchange. So how it works? Let's see how it works. So step one, the onboarding. So the person, especially the seller or buyer, first need to register with the RXAL. execute master agreement. So RxL will verification will be done, and due diligence will be done. Then the entity pays registration fees. Entity means it may be a buyer, it may be a seller, or a financier. So onboarding fees. So then factoring unit. Establish buyer and seller relationship. The financier defines the limit on buyer. The seller buyer uploads the invoice on the TREDS platform. The counterparty accepts the invoices. The invoice is converted into the factoring unit. So auction. The financiers with defined limits on the buyer's bid on invoices. The cost bearer accept the best bid in the auction. The bid acceptance phase. Then obligation. The RxL generates obligation, financier to the seller. The payment, it will be done. Then the settlement. So debit financier and credit seller. Why? Because the financier came forward to take the obligation. So the money will be debited from the financier and credited to the seller. Then next, debitor to buyer. Debit to buyer and credit to financier. So the second step, it will happen. Sometimes unfinanciated or filed, it will be settled between the buyer and seller in the later stages. So sometimes it may happen also. Maybe the financier will not come forward, as he may be expecting the payments may get delayed, or he may expect some kind of non-payments. So financiers will not come forward. Then at the time, see, the money will not go from the buyer. See, the buyer is obligated to pay the amount at any point of time. So it will take some more time to settle those amounts. Who can register in this platform? As we said, the sellers should be a MSME as defined under Section 7 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Act 2006, MSME Act, supplying goods or services to the buyers. The buyers, corporates, including companies and other buyers, including government, department and public sector undertaking and such as other entities, as many be permitted by the Reserve Bank of India. Then financiers, the banks, NBFC factors and such other institutions as may be permitted by the RBI from time to time to participate in the TREDS platform as financiers. So how to register? So it is a self-explanatory in the system. RAXL.in, then go for registration, click on the registration, fill up the required documents, online submission of the applications and required documents, execution of the master agreement, the submission of printed signed application and self-attested documents to RXL, the verification of information provided in the application and documents to RXL, and confirmation put to the applicant, the payment of registration fee by the applicant. After satisfactory completion of the process, RXL initiate activation process for the applicant to use the TREDS platform. Let's see the benefit, the seller. Best discount rate due to participation in the multiple financiers in actions, efficient capital deployment, timely receipt of funds, cost and paperwork reduction, helpful in business growth due to the improved liquidity. So he gets immediately the funds. So next, you can go for the next cycle. So it is a turnover will be definitely improved. So instead of waiting 3 to 4 months, if you are getting immediately, so immediately you can go for the another cycle, the another order execution, you can go for the execution of order. Sometimes because of this TRED platform, I am feeling even the turnover may double by using this platform. So increased transparency. So advantage. So buyer, it is a compliance with MSME Act, efficient cash flow management, efficient payment circles, the cost and paperwork reduction. So the buyer also need not to worry, the business person comes and asks repeatedly and no need to waiting time. So for him also it is a best option. Financier, you see, the financier keeps money with him. So instead of keeping just idle the money, so the financier always wants to be his funds to be utilized properly with returns. Sometimes with expect some good returns also. With this platform, the financiers amount with the financiers will be utilized at optimum level. So assured quality instrument and risk management, reduced operational cost. I think you understood very well about this instrument. So any doubt you have? Please reach us the 832860618 and facebook.com/Brand Alliance Global. Thank you for taking your time and hearing patiently. Thank you once again. Jai Hind.